I am Victoria Lim, and we're here at Knott's Berry Farm getting ready to ride on the Calico River Rapids. They've made some improvements and just opened it up. Let's go check it out.
Welcome to Calico River Rapids!
Among the improvements, when you walk through the attraction just to get on the ride, you'll see a lot of new theming, a lot of hidden animals, the sounds, even the smells of being right in the middle of the forest as you're watching the rapids go by.
Chester Davenport, hi.
We're getting ready on a cool adventure. He says there's some wild animals. We'll see. Okay, so what is in store for us right now? What are we in store for?
Well, from what they say, good luck. Big. I should get.
He just said animals. He didn't say Bigfoot.
I didn't know there was a Bigfoot. I thought there was just bears. All right, that's big enough speed.
Here we go.
All right.
Oh, just a little bit.
I guess just keep an eye out for anything that can bite us, or eat us, or bite us like snakes. Oh, geez.
Whoa!
All right, so there weren't snakes before. I saw all these rocks. These rocks are always here. I saw the rocks last time. We're so far on the treads. So it seems like that's what there's a lot of is wilderness.
Yeah.
And water.
Okay.
Which isn't so bad, honestly, right?
No, this is
I should relax.
really nice. Hey, can you tell him to stop shooting?
Calm down, mister. All right. I didn't come this way before, actually. So maybe this is all new. I didn't see dynamite. That's new.
That's, oh my goodness. Okay. Oh, look at the bear.
Hi, little guy. I'm sorry I screamed at you before. I think it was him. Bears all look the same to me. Is that offensive to say?
No, oh, there's a mama bear right over there, so maybe that's, oh my.
You think she saw us?
I hope not. Oh, look at that. Oh, boxes and hen house. Whoa.
We should stop here. I can cook the chicken and make it dinner right now.
Yeah, well, we're not very far. We got great chicken already.
Oh, I heard of there. Yeah, we should go there and get some chicken.
Yeah. Oh, and here's that bear. Oh, maybe he's gonna
All right.
get angry because
I didn't mean to scream at your cub. Cougar. All right, so I think we're safe. I think we're safe.
Awesome.
There's a whole lot of dynamite here. Okay.
Well, it doesn't look like it's lit, so we should be okay.
She's screaming my name and saying no. No. Whoa. All right. Okay. All right. Calm. This is calm here. I think maybe we're done. Maybe
I think
this
we're
is
good.
someplace we can show
we're
up
just
around
kind of
here.
gliding in to,
Probably right on the other side of this ominous cave.
right, because usually... Was that the Bigfoot he was talking about?
I don't know what that was. All right, I think that was just splashed water and not water for me, so that's fine. I'm sorry I screamed at you. Or did you scream? It was. Well, I'm sorry.
But good, because you kind of scared him off. Otherwise, I think he would have jumped in. We're both here.
That was the idea.
You kept me safe.
It was a manly.
You're my hero.
You're welcome.
Drum roll!